Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make gravy using cream of mushroom soup. This simple recipe is perfect for enhancing many meals. You will need just a few basic ingredients and kitchen tools to get started. We'll combine 1 can of cream of mushroom soup with a liquid, then gently heat it. This method creates a delicious, savory gravy in under 10 minutes, perfect for any occasion. First, carefully open your can of cream of mushroom soup and pour it into a medium-sized saucepan. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of your chosen liquid, whether it's milk, water, or broth. Slowly add the liquid to the soup while continuously whisking. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth, lump-free base for your delicious gravy. Keep whisking until everything is well combined. Now, place your saucepan over medium-low heat. It is important to stir the gravy frequently to ensure even heating and prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Allow the mixture to gently simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, the gravy will gradually thicken to a rich, creamy consistency. Keep an eye on it and adjust the heat as needed for a perfect simmer. Once your gravy has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat. Now is the time to taste and adjust the seasoning. Add salt, black pepper, or any other spices you enjoy, like a pinch of garlic powder. Stir well to incorporate. Your rich, creamy gravy is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with roasted meats, mashed potatoes, or steamed vegetables, adding a comforting touch to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.